Alright, now for the part my mom loves the best. Get to talk about what we did today. So, started off with about, I don't know, 10 inch piece of leaf spring off of a Amish horse buggy. And yeah, I really like that stuff. It's really good steel. Hardened really nice. A few pieces I've worked with. Got some funky lines in it, but for the most part, yeah, good stuff. And I forged two knives today. This one's going to be a medium size, actually a large size for what it is. Puku style blade. I'm going to be filing right up to the back of the I'm going to square this off and file right up to the edge. There's going to be no ricasso. It's just going to go straight to the cutting edge. I typically don't like that. I like a little bit of ricasso. Just makes it a lot easier to sharpen the knife. But for the type of knife that this is going to be, yeah, they don't do that. There's no ricasso on a Puko. And the other end of the same piece of metal, I managed to get a little 3-finger blacksmith knife. Really 2.5. Pinky's hanging off, but it's got a nice little swoop on it, and feels really good in the hand. Actually, I've already did the grinding on it because it was an ugly forging. But the tip and it was already pretty thin, so I just quit working with it. But for the most part, it kept the forge shape, except for the tip. The tip kind of looked like a spoon, but but yeah, you can kind of get a couple fingers on it, and get a finger on the top, and you know, this probably actually be a nice little skinner, a skinner without a handle. So, and you know, I'll make a little sheath for it, send it out. Might be Kydex, I don't know. Might be a little leather sheath. I'm not sure yet, but as far as my blacksmith knives go, I think I'm really digging this handle. I made one and it went out the door pretty quick. And yeah, this handle design is pretty nice. I like the way it feels in the hand. And it's got almost like an integrated handguard. So again, no ricasso, go straight to the blade. So a little bit of protection there. So you can kind of get a couple fingers on it, get your index finger on top, hold it. You can get in there and do some stuff. But it's gonna be a cool little knife. Yeah, this one, of course, Hidden Tang. It's gonna be stacked handle of some sort. Puku has stacked birch bark handles. I don't think I'm gonna have any access to any kind of birch bark, but yeah, we'll see what I come up with. It's gonna be some sort of stacked handle. I just did a stacked leather handle. I got that up on Etsy right now, but that's an old build. But I also did another stack leather handle for another knife that I'm getting out. That never made it to Etsy. It was a special request for a birthday. So, but yeah, a few hours banging out two knives, and I already got this one ground. It's gonna be hand sanded. We're gonna heat treat it and temper it, and it'll be pretty much done after the final edge. No handle work. It's nice on a blacksmith knife, but and this one here, yeah, probably get done within the next week or two. I also got another project coming up. Check this out. Hold on. So I actually got this what's left of a Camulus titanium. Is that how you say it? Camulus titanium. It was a Christmas gift years ago, and I've actually delimbed, let's see, about three, 4 trees with this thing, and it actually did really good. And I used it pretty harshly, and it always kept an edge for delimbing and stuff. I mean, it's a little bit stiffer than a machete, actually a lot stiffer than machete, and actually a lot sharper, but you can see what happened to it as a result of it being a little bit harder. It pretty much just broke right in two on me one day, and I wasn't doing anything with it that I hadn't done in the past, but yeah, it had a crack in it, and broke it clean in two. But as a result of that, I actually have the handle. I took it apart. It's got some nice Corby screws, I think they're called. And we're gonna forge another blade to accept this handle. So it looks pretty straightforward. I just got to get a piece of metal with a tang in this dimension and drill a couple of holes. And it's a little bit on the thin side. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick, but it's alright. We'll work with it. I think I actually got a piece of spring steel over there all ready to go for it. And the final blade's going to wind up probably being around 18 inches long. So it'll be like a little one-handed short sword of sorts. And it'll be pretty cool. We use a handle that came on a, I think, I don't know who makes these things. Is it Gerber? I don't know. No, it's Camulus. That's the brand, and it was the Carnivore. So the Carnivore broke, and it's not a full stainless, but it's some sort of stain-resistant steel. I mean, it actually held a really good edge for what it was. I actually, you know, I think it was actually a pretty expensive knife as far as a Walmart knife goes. I think it was like almost $90, and that was some years ago. I've had it for a while, but yeah, look for that project coming up. Maybe I'll get started on it after I get these two done. But like I said, I got so much stuff that I want to get done. I actually cut my piece of metal, measured it out and cut it for the sword that I want to make, and yeah, just so much to do, and only one timeline and anvil and forge to do it. So, and of course only one me. So, got to do one thing at a time. But today I managed to do two things at a time. You know, making it work. Getting a second knife out of the end of that piece of metal was pretty awesome. So, alright, I'm going to quit jabbing and I'm going to wrap this video up. I just wanted to show you guys another knife forging. Yep, I'll let you go, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Oh, remember to check out Metal Man on Etsy. Metal Man Productions on Etsy. And yep, thanks for all your support. Thanks. Bye.